Hey Josh,
Hey,
what do you really think about detailing?
you know what really grinds my gears about detailing? Something I really hate about detailing is when a car has too many floor mats, like this car here. I like it when a car just has the normal one set of floor mats, whether that's 5 or 4 floor mats, as long as they're all rubber or all carpet, but not when a car has 12 floor mats in it and they're all different. We got 3 sets of floor mats for this car here, and yeah, that's something I gotta work on because now I'm gonna have to spend 3 times as much time cleaning the floor mats as normal. I don't really upcharge for it. Kind of do, I kind of don't. I won't for this particular customer because I've done so much detailing for them, but ideally it's best to not have 3 sets of floor mats in your car. That's something I really hate about detailing because now it's going to take 3 times as long. Oh, look at this. There's even one more floor mat here. I missed it. I haven't even started cleaning it yet. Yeah, so something I really hate about detailing is when a car has too many floor mats. It's ridiculous. I'm already crunched on time as it is, having to deal with these really dirty cars. And then when a car has 3 sets of floor mats, it's not fun. Even if you're charging for it. Yeah, it's just something that sometimes it's unpredictable because most of the time, most vehicles don't have extra sets of floor mats, like 90% of vehicles. But then 1 in every 10, I guess, you get that has too many floor mats and it just messes with you, money-wise and time-wise, if you're trying to do multiple cars a day. My parking lot's full right now. It really doesn't help out when there's extra floor mats in a vehicle. A lot of the times I'd like to just put them to the side and not reinstall them in the customer's car, just to give them sort of a little hint, like, hey, maybe let's not put 3 sets of floor mats back in. But I never do that. I always think about doing that. I just clean them, do a good job, make people happy. But going forward, I think I'll have to set up something on my website and then send a link that says, hey, if you have 3 sets of floor mats, multiple sets of floor mats in your car, we're gonna have to charge you extra. So yeah, that's something I really hate about detailing, is when a vehicle has too many floor mats. It really adds to the overall time of the detail and just detailer stress. So do your detailer a favor and make sure there's only 1 set of floor mats in your vehicle. All right, see ya.